Hey, crafty friends, it's Andrea from Prairie Sky DIY, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Manitoba, Canada. Buckle up, this one's fast. For this project, all you need is an envelope, 2 pieces of pattern paper cut to the size of your envelope. I'm using the Stampin' Up! Medium, and all we're going to do is put our paper onto our envelope. I'm doing a couple of lines at the top because we're going to trim. And I want to make sure that it's actually going to stay stuck. And I'm not concerned that this doesn't fit exactly across the top because, as I just mentioned, we are going to trim. All right, so a couple of strips and then all the way around. This gift card holder, or gift holder, can hold gift cards. It can hold pretty much any small little gift that you want to give to somebody, including tags. Actually, that would be a really cute idea. Pop some Christmas tags in and you're good to go. Okay. Done. Not quite, but almost. So we're just going to take a little slice off. I'm going to do maybe 1/4 of an inch. And as long as your bag opens, which it does, you can either finish it off like this right now if you wanted to. If you wanted to, you could also trim to make kind of like a diagonal. And if you're going to do that, my best advice is to place the top corner on one line and choose a line on the other side of your paper trimmer. And then when you flip it over, pick the same lines and it will work out the same, or top corner, bottom corner on the same line. It'll give you the same angle. I'm just going to round the corners because I really do like how that looks. So grab my handy dandy little corner rounder here. Make sure it's in the slot. And then you can stick whatever you want into this little pouch. You can make a little tag topper for it, but I'm going to just punch, and I want to show you a really cute idea that popped into my head for a closure for this. So there are a few different ways you can close it. Thread your ribbon through and then just simply tie it. But I was thinking that doing like a little, I don't even know, like a paper bead almost would be a really sweet idea. So I've just got a little scrap here. And you want to make sure that you've got enough so your paper will fit. And I'm just going to make a quick little round to make sure that it's actually going to be flexible enough when I've got the adhesive on it. And then we're just going to add our adhesive, not to the edge because you don't want it to stick into the ribbon. And then we're just going to roll. You could also use like a wooden bead or a silicone bead if you have. I just thought that this might be a really cute idea. Actually, this would have been smart if I would have rolled it around a pen first. Oh well. Okay. And then we're just going to feed it through our little holder here. Oops. A little tighter would have been better. You can also just kind of squish it down a bit and maybe add a little bit of adhesive if you wanted to. But there's our really super quick gift card holder. You can decorate it any way that you wanted to. Let's see, what have I got handy that I can decorate this guy with? No, I'm not going to use that. Let's do this, and maybe we'll do a thinking of you. I know it's kind of ironic that I've been using these little ephemera packs a ton lately, but it does make crafting so much faster and easier. I swear, I do have stamps and ink pads and all of the things. And we're just going to punch. I just like for the holidays showing how quick and easy and honestly no muss, no fuss crafting can be. Especially if you're trying to find your way back to it. And you haven't been able to get into that creative mindset over the last little while because everything just feels so much. This is a project you can bang out in just a few minutes, and the person that you're going to give it to is going to absolutely love it. And it just gives a little bit of extra, hey, I was thinking about you and I wanted to make you something special. So there you go. You can use the paper bead or just give it a bit of a tie. Oh, you know what would be a great gift for inside of here is a Indigo gift card with a packet of tea or one of those little hot chocolate packs or the little instant coffees. Oh, perfect afternoon of indulgence. I hope you like this project. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.